All right, so today I am really excited because we are at 521 Eleuthera. Let me tell you what's special about this house, not just because I sold it to him and I loved it years ago, it's Florida living at its best. You are walking distance to a fisherman's village or an easy bike ride, right down the road from the dog park if you're an animal lover, and look at the water. Quick out by water so you can float on out, float on back in, 3-car garage, all the amenities that you could ever want, and right in downtown Punta Gorda. You're not gonna wanna miss this home. Call us to schedule a private showing. As always, we look forward to seeing you.